Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai crispy pan fried mussel with egg, or in Thai we call hoi thot, and also the delicious chili sauce. This recipe is similar to seafood omelette or pancake and is widely available street food in Thailand. The texture is interesting mixed with the crunch and crispy, and serve this with our chili sauce that is so delicious. If you're ready, let's get started. First, we gonna add the rice flour 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of the all-purpose flour or the fried flour. And 1 tablespoon of arrowroot flour, or you can use the typical flour. Add a bit of salt. Add a bit of pepper. And then mix the dry ingredients together. And next one is the cold water. We need to use the cold water for about 4 or 5 tablespoons. And mix everything until it's homogeneous. Add the mussel as you like. However, you can also use oyster or any other of the shellfish. And we're gonna heat a pan with the 3 tablespoons of the cooking oil for enough to coat the pan. And when it's hot, pour on the mussels and the batter mixture we make. Distribute the mussel evenly, even the batter, but don't stir it. And put the egg, 1 or 2 eggs is up to you, but for one recipe it's better to use 1 egg. And break up the yolk, and then spread the egg on top our batter. Gonna stir fry a little bit of time for the couple minutes, and to make sure that the butter side is golden brown. And flip it and let it cook another 2 minutes. And now the underside of our hoi tod is already golden brown. And then push the hoi tod to the side of your wok and add a bit of the vegetable oil. And then we're gonna put the bean sprouts on the pan and fry them, and also add a bit of salt to make it more tasty. And now it's ready. Let's get served. And the last one is the sauce. It's very easy to make this sauce. We use the chili sauce for one portion with the sweet chili sauce one portion, and then mix everything well. And that is for our sauce. It's so easy and delicious. This one is top of our street food, and I hope you give this try for this recipe. And thank you for watching our video, and see you next time.